Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this very basic but unique burst effect in UE 5.1 and let's start this. Let's make a burst and this will be a simple burst but I'll do something new in it to make it look different and unique. So let's make a material, not material, let's just make a FX first now. I will use that material later. So first just a basic FX and inside it, just open this. You have fountain, and in this one I have this additive radial, so I'll use the velocity aligned. And then in this here I don't need mass, I'll use random non-uniform. In the velocity we'll use the point velocity, and then I don't need gravity in this one, and the life I need very short, maybe 0.2 and 0.1. And then I need particle size to stretch like this.